Rosie, whoop, you got your paw wet. What are you doing, Rosie? That's not your bowl. That's Pearl's bowls. Rosie. Are you stealing food from your sister's bowl?
Rosie, what are you doing?
Isn't that bowl too big?
Pearl, stay back.
Oh my, Rosie.
Bad
You're
boy.
a little thief.
Rosie, what are you doing?
Are you eating out of the big bowl?
What are you doing, silly girl?
Watch your bowls are over there.
There's
Rosie, your bowls are over there. See them? Where there's a will, there's a way. Huh, Rosie?